Okay, these two little words, for and since. How do we get these right? Okay, now when we want to use these two little words, I want you to think about two questions. For, how long? Since, from, when? Now when we think about for, we think about a time period, so a duration, so we have a fixed time. So for example, for 1 hour, for 2 weeks, for 3 months, for 4 years, for a long time. So we have a duration. If we look at since, we need to know from when did something start? From when? Was there a time, a date, an hour? From. Okay, so for example with since 2 p.m, since yesterday, since last week, since 2015. So here we have a fixed time from when something happened. Alright, so now we can see the difference between these two. Here you need to be able to ask yourself the question, for how long? You need to be able to say an amount of time. With since, we need to be able to say from when. Alright, it really is that easy. Okay, let me give you a few examples. Andy has been waiting for Joellen for 2 hours. Andy's been waiting for Joellen since 8 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock and he's still waiting. Alright, let's look at this again. Joellen has been getting ready for 3 hours. It's now 10 p.m. Joellen's been getting ready since 7 p.m. So here we can see the amount of time, and here we can see from when she was getting ready.
Can you make some more examples? Write them on the comment section below. Remember to click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up and see you guys on the next Mundo Inglés America video. Peace out.